Hey guys, so I just got my May Antipodean witch box, so let's get to unboxing. So everything is purple. We have the booklet, which says 19th of May, Frost Moon. So we've got a beautiful raw amethyst point. Ooh. A raw piece of lapis lazuli. That's my first piece of lapis lazuli actually. I haven't bought any previously. An Ankh pendant. Some lavender buds, which I can smell in the box without even opening it. I think that my butterfly is broken. She only has one wing. Consecrated bath salts for success. Some goat's rue. A peacock feather, which is just beautiful. A tumbled sodalite, which I don't have any of either. Some drooping she oak. Ooh. A purple and white marbled spell chalk. A chain, what I think is an amethyst, a pendulum and chain. I think that this might have all been together and has broken during transit, which is very sad. A little pendulum placard. Incense sticks, which smell a bit lavendery, I guess. And our sigil for success, and the affirmation: I welcome success into my life. I have the courage to set goals and the resilience to persist until I achieve my aims. It's beautiful. And that's everything that I got in my May Antipodean witch box. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to see more unboxings and makeup videos. Hope you all have a blessed day. Bye.